thanks for watching the channel. So today I'm going to be putting the front bumper on the Camaro, and then I'll be putting the rear bumper on as well. That way I can actually start driving her every day. I can change it out between her and the V, and I'll have 2 dailies again. So let's go ahead and get this started. So real quick, got the bumper just placed right now, guys, and I'm just going to show you right here is where you're going to put one 10mm bolt on each side, and then we're going to go ahead and place all the clips that go through here. So I'll go ahead and get that started and I'll be right back. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to go ahead and show you that I did take off my wheel because it makes it a lot easier to access behind the wheel well. Otherwise, you're like fighting for space. So when you pull this back, guys, you'll see in here, right up here, you've got one 7mm bolt that you got to take out. And then all the way up there, there are 3 10mm bolts that you got to get to. 1, 2, and 3. So I'll go ahead and get those started and I'll be right with you guys. So the way that I was able to reach the bolts in there, guys, was I just hand tightened it all the way, and then I'm just going to go in there and just finish it off with the ratchet because I'm having a very difficult time reaching it. I don't know if I'm fighting myself or fighting this stupid flap. Alright guys, so we went ahead and put in the 3 bolts that are along the back side of the headlight, and now we're going to go ahead and put the 3 T20 Torx bolts into the fender wall that was in my way the entire time. Okay. So real quick, on this side, it's just as hard as the other side, obviously, because the bolts, so you've got one hiding right there, there you go, and then 2 and 3 all the way up there. I have very big hands. Trying to get my hands up in there is very difficult. But it's done. So now I just put these 3 T20 torque bolts in, and we are good to go to put the wheel back on. is back on the Camaro finally. It's been forever since it's been on. It's been forever since I've driven the Camaro. I'm excited. I just have to get the back bumper on now. Thanks for watching the channel. Today is my favorite day because I got to drive the Camaro for the first time out on the roads, taking it for a spin. So we're just doing a quick walk around the car. She runs pretty good. Some weird ticks that we're still trying to figure out what they are. But for the most part, she's amazing. The cutouts are currently off right now, so we want to make sure we can hear anything that might be wrong with it. She needs a wash and a wax in the worst possible way.